Hello! Video of the test of the universal key emulator for Kia Hyundai and Mitsubishi 2020 with Kia Stinger 2019. This is a universal key emulator for Kia Hyundai and Mitsubishi 2020. Tested car Kia Stinger 2019. Open, close the car with a key. Key buttons work and keyless function is active. We check the car is locked. Turn on the emulator and press the driver's door button. We select the desired car model. Once again, press the driver's door button several times and turn on the signal processing function. Processing of a signal from the car takes about 1 minute. Processing is completed now. We press the driver's door button again. The car central lock is unlocked. Open the door. Enter the car and put the switched-on emulator on the central console. We press on the car start button. The dashboard indication shows that the engine started immediately. The steering wheel and automatic transmission are unlocked. Turn off the key emulation function and stop the engine. Press the start button again. The engine does not start, and on the dashboard a message about the absence of a key in the salon. Turn on the key emulation function and press the Start button. The engine starts. We stop the engine and exit the car. Several times open-close the car. And start the engine. We stop the engine. Exit the car and close it. The car is locked. Turn off the key emulation function. Now we check the key. The key works. We turn on the key emulation function again. Open. And start the car. Turn off the emulator. The car is ready to move. Let's go! Thanks everyone for watching.